Hey everyone! So today we're going to be working on a 12 by 12 canvas, and I'm going to be using some Pebeo paint mixed with the Pebeo medium. This is a gloss medium. I'm absolutely loving the results of this stuff. So I did also use 1 drop of their silicone. It's kind of watery. It's not like our treadmill. It's a little thinner, but the cells are amazing. So I'm going to be mixing up some paints today, colors that I don't normally put together, just to see the effects we'll get. So I have the white. This is an Oriental Violet. It's absolutely beautiful color. And you can feel the difference when you're stirring these, how much thicker and creamier they are, but they still work very well. That one is Primary Cyan. This one here is Cad Yellow Medium. This is their Hooker's Green. And of course, the black, Mars Black. So, let's go ahead and get a cup. I'm going to do 1 big cup and we're just going to do a flip cup. I'm not going to spray that because I want you to see how their silicone works by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and start with some white. And then I'm going to go right to the Cad Yellow Medium. I'm sorry. Yep, Cad Yellow. I always think it's deep when I see it that dark. Let's go with the Hooker's Green. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the blue, the cyan, I mixed up 27 of their tubes of paint. I bought a little kit at the show because I wanted to try it. That's okay. And we'll do some black here. And the Oriental Violet. And I'll go ahead and add a little bit more white just to give me enough paint right through the paint. And I think that'll be it. Let me give that a flip. This is a linen canvas, by the way. So I'll let that work its way down. Okay, let's see what we get. I'll let that come out of the cup. It's so pretty. Put it right there so I can get a skin out of it. Let me give that just a little torch and we'll tilt. Pop those air bubbles. Of course the cells are going to come up now. It's amazing how this paint develops after you let it set. So we're probably going to do that. Do our 10-minute rest, and then you can see how well it develops. Because the cells are huge already. 1 drop of silicone. It's crazy, isn't it? I know a lot of artists like to use the Pebeo, especially the blue-green iridescent and the green-blue iridescent. Okay, let me get those sides. I'm going to bring that back to the middle, straighten that all out. Alright, it's looking pretty dull right now. Just a few cells popping up here and there. Let me give it a torch, and then we're going to do our 10-minute wait. medium already. Alright, I'll be back in 10. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Can you believe this? This painting just exploded. And I do want to hit this little spot here. See if there's anything under there, and there's not. Just one little quick pop of bubble. But look at those cells. It's just phenomenal. So we're going to do some experiments with this pouring medium. I want to do some with mixing it with Floetrol so we don't have to use just straight Pebeo. And also with just their silicone oil. But that lacing with that yellow is just absolutely beautiful. This is probably my favorite spot right there. And of course I love this. But that's it, guys. Let me move this, and I'm going to pull that skin underneath the cup. It's beautiful. So let me pop that open. And I'm going to pull it and put it on a tile so you guys can see it. Isn't that beautiful? Those colors are really pretty together. Of course, the purple isn't in this as much. It's a little faint line. But watch this. This tile will look completely different in a half an hour. Amazing. So I did put the Pebeo in my Amazon shop. So make sure you check that out. It's not really cheap, but it's also not, super expensive, because you can limit how much you mix, because you don't need a lot of paint for a painting. But that's really cool. Loving it. So check out the Amazon shop for products. Also check out my Etsy shop. I have a lot of new stuff in there. Our Praj Posse paints are in there. I'm going to try those mixed with the Pebeo as well. And our fan mail post office box address is below if you want to send some gadgets for us to play with. Alan is looking for new gadgets. So Monday Night Live at 9 p.m. every Monday night Eastern Time. Alan does play with a gadget or two. He just got his little mini leaf blower, so he played with that Monday night. It was fun. But join our group on Facebook, the Praj Posse, and check out all those links below. There's so many, I don't want to go through them all with you. You hear it on every video, right? But look at that already. Just that little bit of time that I was talking. Crazy, isn't it? We're going to have more fun with this paint. So I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.